everyone, welcome back to class 7th. I am Bindu. With me interpreting is Mr. Subhashish. And our class today is going to be our social studies. And we are going to talk about one of the greatest empires in our history, the Mughal Empire. Let's see when and how the creation of this empire happened. Before the brief look, first you have to know who were the Mughals. The Mughals were from ruling families of Central Asian countries like Uzbekistan and Mongolia. To know about the Mughal Empire briefly, look at part 1 with the topics. The first Mughals in India. Important Mughal emperors, major campaigns and events. Relationship of the Mughals with other rulers. Mansabdars and Jagirdars. Before going to the main topic, take a look on keywords. Mansabdar. Mansabdars were officers in Mughal administration. Jagirdar. The areas given to the nobles were called Jagirs. Take a look at the concept map. Let's see who were the first Mughals in India. Babur, the first Mughal emperor, had to leave his throne because of an invasion by another ruler. After wandering for years, he took over Kabul in 1504 CE. Then, in 1526 CE, he defeated the Sultan of Delhi, Ibrahim Lodi, and took control of Delhi and Agra. From Delhi and Agra, the Mughals started their rule. Have a look at important Mughals emperors, major campaigns and events. The first Mughal empire was Babur. He ruled 1526 to 1530 CE. After Babur, Humayun became emperor of Delhi and Agra, but was defeated by Sher Khan and ran away to Iran. With the help of the Safavid Shah, he reclaimed Delhi in 1555 CE, but sadly passed away in an accident the next year. Akbar became emperor at the age of 13 after Humayun's death. He ruled from 1556 to 1605 CE, taking over Bengal, Central India, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. Eventually, he conquered Afghanistan, Kashmir, and parts of the Deccan. Jahangir ruled as emperor from 1605 to 1627 CE. and continued the military campaigns initiated by Akbar. However, there were no major victories during his reign. Shah Jahan was emperor from 1627 to 1658. He faced rebellions from nobles and chiefs. In 1657 to 1658, there was a dispute over his successor among his sons. Aurangzeb emerged victorious, leading to the murder of his three brothers. Shah Jahan spent his remaining days in prison in Agra. From 1658 to 1707 CE, Aurangzeb faced rebellions in his empire from regions like Afghanistan, Assam, Rajasthan, Punjab, Deccan, and more. Rebel leaders included Guru Tej Bahadur, Gobind Singh, Shivaji, and his son Akbar. Shivaji established a separate Maratha kingdom, and Aurangzeb conquered Bijapur in 1685 CE and Golconda in 1687 CE. After his death, a power struggle ensued among his sons. Let's see the relationship of the Mughals with other rulers. When the Mughals came to India, there were many kings and chiefs in different areas. The Mughals wanted to bring them under their power. They allowed the older rulers and chiefs to continue to rule over large parts of their old kingdoms and collected revenues from them. But they had to pay taxes to the emperor and couldn't fight each other. The Mughal leaders always fought against rulers who didn't want to listen to them. As the Mughals got stronger, many other rulers had to give up their power. Some Rajput rulers married Mughal princesses, while others resisted Mughal rule. The Sisodia Rajputs of Cheto chose to fight against the Mughals, but ultimately retained their lands after being defeated. The Mughals didn't get rid of their enemies after winning battles. This way, they were able to gain control over lots of other rulers and leaders. As a political strategy, the Mughals married princesses of the local rulers. Jahangir's mother was the daughter of the Rajput ruler of Amber, modern Jaipur. Shah Jahan's mother was the daughter of the Rajput ruler of Jodhpur. Let's see who our Mansabdars and Jagirdars were. People who became part of the Mughal team were called Mansabdars. They followed the emperor's orders and did tasks such as protecting the palace, ruling a region, taking over new lands, or stopping a rebellion. The Mughals controlled the Mansabdars by making them obey the emperor's orders and preventing them from becoming too powerful by moving them around every few years. Unlike the Nayakas in the Vijayanagara Empire, the Mansabdars couldn't establish themselves in one place and became too strong. Now see the duties of Mansabdar. The Mansabdar oversaw a group of horse riders for his military duties, bringing them for inspection, enrollment, marking their horses, and distributing their salary. The son of a Mansabdar did not automatically inherit the title. The emperor had the authority to decide if he would become a Mansabdar. Upon the Mansabdar's death, the emperor seized all his belongings. Next, we will see how do the Mansabdars get their payment. Mansabdars like Vijayanagara Amaranayakas received jagirs as payment but didn't always live there. They collected revenue from their jagir villages and sent it to the emperor, while their attendants managed the funds in a different area. Jagirs were overseen by officials who reported to the emperor. Let's see the farmers in the time of the Mughals. The leaders ensured the Jagirdars' helpers didn't take too much from the farmers. The Jagirs were also moved around every couple of years. During Akbar's rule, Jagirs were adjusted to equal Mansabdar salaries. However, under Aurangzeb, an increase in Mansabdars led to delays in Jagirs' distribution, resulting in shortages due to various factors. Many Jagirdars abused their power to extract wealth during Aurangzeb's final years, causing great hardship for the farmers. Conclusion of the topic. In this part, we learned that the Mughals originated from Central Asian lands like Uzbekistan and Mongolia. Babur was their first leader, followed by Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, and Aurangzeb. Some Rajput rulers married Mughal princesses, while others resisted Mughal rule. The Mughals frequently relocated Mansabdars to prevent them from gaining too much power. In part 2, we will see about the Zabt and Zamindar systems in the Mughal Empire. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Ashray Akruti.